Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
All right, you guys, wasting no time at all, we are hopping right into this package. Within the package, they did send a satin robe. So I'd like to thank Unice for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into the box of goodies. Okay, so we have a hairbrush, some lashes, a black bonnet, a Velcro headband, a makeup brush, a pink satin drawstring bag to store your hair, as well as another Velcro headband and some wig caps. Now they do have this one that is easier to melt, so I will be using that one today. And there's also another pink bonnet within the packaging. And of course, your hair. This is the prettiest shade of reddish brown hair ever. Okay, so this is a 13 by 4 lace front kinky straight wig. Underneath you have your two sliding combs on either side of the wig. Of course, you have your additional adjustable strap. In the back you have more lace, an additional strap, and your sliding comb for the nape area. I just wanted to quickly run my fingers through it to see if there was any shedding or hair fall straight out of the packaging, and as you can see, I don't have any shedding. Oh, and this is 24 inches of kinky straight hair.
Okay, friends and family, we are back with somebody else's reddish brown hair. We're gonna put her on our head, but first we are gonna put the stocking cap on. Let me just, actually, I'm gonna take my adjustable band out because I just want to try her on really quickly and see what we're working with. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, this is a lot of hair. Okay. I just feel like I need a microphone and a stage, and I could perform a Shaka Khan song now. But look at this hairline. Check her out. Very Chucky doll-ish. So definitely I would say you gotta pluck this girl. But I'm not here for the plucking. I really like her. She's really, really pretty. I think I want to put some curls in her. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, so I set my graphite titanium curler to 430, and I wanted to show you guys this particular one. The hair clamp doesn't go all the way down to the end, so I wanted to show you guys how I'm curling this hair using this particular hot tool. So as you can see, I keep the hair somewhat at the root of the wig, and I make sure all of the hair is being wrapped around the barrel in the clip area. So I want to keep the hair low to the clip and keep rolling up towards the root area. That way all of the hair is pretty straight within the curling iron, and when you release you have like this barrel curl. You can spray it with some hairspray at this point, but as you can see, it holds the curl pretty well. And you know, once the heat is released, the curl does drop a little, but it does hold the curl. Okay, so I just followed that same technique all over the back, and this is how the curls turned out. Okay, so I've already moisturized and sealed my hair in preparation for this install. So here I'm just putting my hair into a low bun using a silk scrunchie. So Makeup Free April is moving on to this bald cap method using the new wig cap. I've learned my lesson with trying to do this method with makeup on. To me, the hairline just doesn't turn out right. So we're doing this bald cap method makeup free today. Those of you who have watched my channel before, you know I only use the Got to Be Glued spray. I do not use wig glue, and I do not believe I would ever use wig glue. I'm not a fan of it. So after I spray my hairline, I am going to use the Velcro headband and blow it with cool air, and then cut the wig cap. Now, this is optional. I'm using my powdered foundation on the hairline. Most people just go back in with their wig glue and kind of lay that flatter. But again, I don't use wig glue, so I just use my makeup. And now I just want to try it back on to get a feel for, where it should sit. And then I'm going to use my Got to Be Glued spray to hold this wig in place. Okay, so after cutting it, it looks kind of like dusty up there because, I had to lift it a little bit to, get the hairline where I wanted it to be. So I'm just going to go back in with some Got to Be Glued spray to kind of lay those edges back down and put the elastic band back on. And once that is dry, this is what she is working with. I am always surprised at how much I enjoy these different color wigs that I receive. I think it's so cute, and if you wanted to wear it in its kinky straight texture, it would be so bomb. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to curl the top of this hair the way I did the back. So to get the part line to lay flat, I'm just spraying it with some water and putting it in the direction I want it to go. And then I'm going to go in with a hot comb and lay that as flat as possible. Now that I have the top as flat as I would like it, I'm going to go in and curl the sides of my hair the same way I did the back, but I wanted to show you guys how I'm curling this hair. So I'm curling it the same way, but I'm curling it all backwards until I reach the very top. I lost the clip of me curling the very top, but basically I just curl it under and towards my face, just at the part line at the top, and you'll see what I'm talking about in the finished look. All right, let's talk about Miss Ma'am on the top here. I think this is so bomb for the fall. It's a beautiful fall reddish brown color. It's giving what the girls need. Let me tell you how this hair gave me a run for my money. Baby, when I say this hair is so
dense. Okay, and in its natural kinky, like crimpy wave, baby, that thing is thangin'. It's gonna keep your neck warm on those cooler fall nights, okay? Just putting that out there. This hair is not for the faint of heart. You gotta be coming with that pressure if you're going to wear this hair, okay? This hair does have a smell, but it's not like your regular like weave smell. Straight out of the box, I didn't smell anything, but as I was curling the hair, I could smell the hair dye. Okay, so if you've ever smelled hair dye, that's the smell that it gives. Okay, now keep in mind, I have not done anything to this hair. I did not pluck the hair at all, did not cut any hair, I did not create any baby hairs. I did not do anything to this hair other than take it out the box, put it on my head, and curl it. Okay, have not shampooed or conditioned this hair, nothing. I've only curled it. Okay, as you can see, it holds a curl like nobody's business. I have not put any product on this hair to hold the curl. What you see is what you get. Okay, it's holding the curl and it is bouncy. So the wig cap for my head was a tad too big, but nothing the adjustable straps can't fix. This hair, even though it was extremely dense, it is very easy to work with. I did enjoy working with the hair. I did not have to struggle to get the curl. One pass with my hot tool and the girl was laying like she was supposed to lay. If you have an interest in this hair, of course, I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box down below. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And until the next time, be live.
There's issues at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.